Where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gon' love me nobody.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be jumping right in. I'm going to be making a baby announcement for my friend's mom and her mother-in-law. So I'm just going to be starting off by laying out my little onesie. It's about a 6-month onesie that I'm using for this project. I'm taking my lint roller just to get rid of any lint or any debris that may be on the onesie. I already have my lettering pre-cut from my Cricut maker. I do have a little infant t-shirt measuring just to make sure that my design is smack dab in the middle. I'm gonna lay my design down. Once I have my design down, I'm also gonna be adding a baby footprint to the middle of the design. And then once I have the footprint added directly in the middle of the design, I'm gonna move into adding my baking sheet, and then that's going to protect the design once it's being pressed. I generally press this particular design because I'm going to go over it again. I'm going to press that for about 25 to 30 seconds. And a very important step that you don't want to forget is to remove the clear film from your design just so it doesn't leave any lines. Next, I'm going to add some red heart in the middle of my footprint just to kind of put a little bit of a pop in the design. And then once I've placed my design directly in the middle, I'm going to then move into pressing that again to just kind of seal everything in. And at this point, I'm going to do it for 30 to 40 minutes for the final press. Perfect. So now we have design number 1 completed. Now we're going to move into the second onesie design. Okay, so moving into the second design. So this design is a little bit more wordy. So we're starting off with the same step. We're just going to use our lint roller, get rid of any lint. And then I'm going to place my design directly into the middle. Okay, so for the second design, it just says, Grandma has waited a long time for me. I'm also going to be adding the baby footprints to this one as well, just to tie everything together. And also, I'm going to be adding the red heart in the middle as well. Now I'm just adding the baking sheet or parchment paper, and then I'm going to press that for 30 seconds. Okay, so once it's done pressing, you just want to make sure to remember to remove your clear film. Next, I'm just going to be adding in the red heart and then press that again for another 30 seconds, lock everything in, and then we'll move on to the next step.
Blessing, money, testimony. Follow, 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 follow you they go. This year, good news, plenty body.
Perfect. So now we have our second design. So we're going to jump right into designing the announcement box. So these white boxes, I got them from Amazon, and they're just like some regular gift boxes, and they come flat and you just put them together. I also have some crinkle paper in white and gold that I'm going to be laying in the bottom of that. I have some white clothespins with some ribbon, as well as my sonograms and the onesies that we have just designed. You're also going to need a glue gun. So I'm going to start by adding the white and gold crinkle paper, and then I'm just going to mix those together. Next, I'm going to use the clothespins to clip the sonogram, and then I'm going to use the glue gun to glue the clothespin to the top of the lid of the box. Next step is just to fold the onesies in half, lay them flat in the box, and then you just get your ribbon and tie the box shut. And then I've also just customized the name label for the outside of the box with my Cricut maker. So I'm going to add that to the outside of the box or add that to both of them, and then I'll come right back. And there you have it, guys. Both baby announcements are completed and ready to be delivered. Let me know if you like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. Please share it with a friend, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Again, thank you so much for tuning into this video, and have yourself a blessed day. Bye.